Hello dear students. Today the topic of the class is deriving open loop gain of an inverting amplifier and a non-inverting amplifier. By the end of the class you will be learning what is open loop gain capital A and how to derive open loop gain of an inverting amplifier and non-inverting amplifier. So let us start the analysis for deriving open loop gain of an inverting amplifier. So what is the other name of open loop inverting amplifier? We can even call inverting amplifier without feedback. So open loop inverting amplifier and inverting amplifier without feedback both are same. So coming to the circuit diagram, why this circuit diagram is called inverting amplifier? Because the input voltage V in is applied to minus terminal. Minus is inverting terminal of the op amp and plus terminal is connected to the ground. Why it is open loop? Because there is no feedback connection from output back to the input. So let us come to the derivation part. As you all know, what is gain? Gain is output by input. Open loop gain, if you look at the diagram, circuit diagram, what is capital A here? Gain, large signal gain of the op amp. What is the input voltage to this op amp? VID, difference input voltage. VID is equal to V1 minus V2. V1 is the voltage at non-inverting terminal and V2 is the voltage at inverting terminal. The input is VID to the op amp and output voltage is V0. So what is open loop gain? Output by input. What is output? V0. What is the input voltage? VID, difference input voltage, which is written as V1 minus V2. What is the voltage at V1? As it is connected to the ground, it is 0 volts. What is the voltage at V2? V in, because the input source V in is connected to V2. So what is VID? V1 minus V2. On substituting V1 as 0, V2 as V in, we get VID as minus V in. So what is open loop gain now? Output by input, where output is V0 voltage and input is VID. V0, what is VID coming as? Minus V in. On substituting VID we get this. So what is A? A is equal to minus V0 by V in. So on rearranging the term, we will get the output voltage equation of an inverting amplifier. V0 is equal to minus A times of V in. So how the waveform looks for an inverting amplifier? So if you are giving this type of input signal, a small amplitude signal, at the output of an inverting amplifier, it will be an amplified form, but it will be out of phase with respect to the input by 180 degree. So input and output are out of phase by 180 degree. So what we can say, in inverting amplifier only one input is applied, that is to the inverting terminal, inverting input terminal, and non-inverting input terminal is grounded. The negative sign indicates that output voltage is out of phase with respect to input by 180 degree. In inverting amplifier, the input signal is amplified by gain A times and is also inverted at the output. So now let us look at the derivation of open loop non-inverting amplifier gain capital A. So what is the other name of open loop non-inverting amplifier? Non-inverting amplifier without feedback. Now coming to the circuit diagram, why it is known as non-inverting? Now you can easily tell, because the input is connected to plus or non-inverting terminal of the op-amp and inverting terminal is connected to the ground. Coming, and why it is without feedback? Because there is no connection between output back to the input. Open loop gain. What is gain equation? Output by input. What is output here? Output voltage is V0. What is the input voltage? VID. So here we have written A is equal to V0 by VID. What is VID? Difference input voltage. VID is equal to V1 minus V2. How much is V1 voltage? V1 is equal to Vin because Vin is connected to V1 and V2 is 0 because it is connected to the ground. So what is VID coming to be as? V1 minus V2, where V1 is equal to Vin and V2 is equal to 0. So we get VID is equal to Vin. So what is the open loop gain equation? A is equal to V0 by VID, which is equal to V0 by Vin. So when we give an input of small amplitude to the non-inverting amplifier, it gets amplified and it is in the same phase with as the input signal. On rearranging the terms of gain, we get the output voltage equation of non-inverting terminal as A times of Vin. So let me summarize the work what I have explained here. This is a summary of the open loop gain of an inverting amplifier. It is an inverting amplifier because input is connected to the inverting terminal and non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. Open loop gain equation, A is equal to V0 by VID, which is coming to be as minus of V0 by Vin. On rearranging the terms, we get V0 is equal to minus A times of Vin. And when we give a small amplitude signal to an inverting amplifier, it will be amplified at the output, but it is 180 degree out of phase with respect to the input signal. So statement wise, what we can conclude? In inverting amplifier, only one input is applied at the inverting input and non-inverting input terminal is grounded. In inverting amplifier, the input signal is amplified by gain A times at the output and is also inverted at the output with respect to, it is out of phase of 180 degree with respect to the input signal. So these are the two important conclusions. In an inverting amplifier, only one input is applied, that is at the inverting input, and non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground. Output signal is amplified by gain A times, but it is phase shifted. Now coming to the summary of a non-inverting amplifier. This is a non-inverting terminal, non-inverting amplifier because input is connected to plus or non-inverting terminal of the op-amp and inverting terminal is connected to the ground. Open loop, capital A is equal to output by input, which is equal to output V0 by VID. So we get gain equation as A is equal to V0 by Vin. On rearranging the term, we will get the output voltage of a non-inverting as A times of Vin. If a small amplitude signal is given to a non-inverting amplifier, at the output we get an amplified signal which is in same phase with respect to the input signal. So statement wise, what we can say? A non-inverting amplifier only one input is applied at the non-inverting input and inverting input terminal is grounded. In non-inverting amplifier, the input signal is amplified by gain A and also the input signal and output signal are in phase. I hope the class is clear. In the today's class we have seen how to derive the open loop gain of an inverting and non-inverting terminal and then summarized it. I hope the class is clear. For your queries you can post in comments. Good luck, students.